Here's how to use Multichain Bridge on mobile, step by step. First, open your mobile browser and go to multichain.org. Or use a DApp browser inside wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Rabi Wallet. Connect your wallet by tapping Connect Wallet. Select your wallet app like MetaMask or Trust Wallet and approve the connection. Now choose the token you want to bridge. Tap from Network and select your current blockchain like Ethereum, BNB Chain, or Arbitrum. Then tap the To network and choose the blockchain you want to bridge to. Enter the amount you want to bridge, double check the estimated fees and arrival time. Once ready, tap Swap or Bridge. It usually takes a few seconds to a few minutes depending on network traffic. After completion, check your wallet on the destination network to confirm that the tokens have arrived. And that's how you use the multi-chain bridge on mobile. Fast, decentralized, and super simple. Thank you so much for watching.